Hi, and welcome to BotBee. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your WhatsApp business app to BotBee step by step. The best part? You can do this without deleting your existing WhatsApp business account. We'll guide you through the entire setup, no coding required. So, let's get started. Now, go to your BotBee dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, click on Connect Account under the WhatsApp section. Next, click on Connect WhatsApp. Then, select the option Connect WhatsApp without WhatsApp catalog. After that, you'll be asked to log into your Facebook account. Make sure you log in using the account connected to your WhatsApp business. After logging in, select the business portfolio that contains the WhatsApp number you want to connect. Now, select the first option, Connect your existing WhatsApp business app. This option allows you to connect without deleting your existing WhatsApp account. Now, enter your WhatsApp business app number that you want to connect. Once entered, click Next. You will receive an OTP on your WhatsApp number. Enter the OTP in the required field, and then click Next to complete the verification process. Now, your WhatsApp business account name will be displayed. Next, select the time zone that matches your location. Once selected, click Next to proceed. Now, the system will display a QR code on the screen. At the same time, you'll receive a message on your WhatsApp number with instructions to scan the QR code. Open your WhatsApp business app, scan the QR code, and complete the linking process. That's it. Your account is now successfully connected. Now, you need to complete part 2. Just like you would for a new number setup. Check description for video link. Now click the 3 dots and select Fetch Contacts and History to sync messages and contacts to BotBee. That's it. Now you know how easy it is to connect your WhatsApp business app to BotBee. With this integration, you can automate your chats, engage customers instantly, and boost your business growth effortlessly.